Welcome to our channel where we dive into solving common banking errors that anyone can face if you've ever encountered an invalid routing number error. You know how frustrating it can be when trying to complete important transactions. Routing numbers are essential identifiers used by banks to process payments and transfers properly. When these numbers are wrong or outdated, payments get delayed or fail altogether. The good news is that fixing invalid routing number errors is straightforward once you know the right steps. The first thing to do is double-check the routing number you have. Make sure you are using the correct number assigned to your bank branch for the specific type of transaction you want to make, whether it's a wire transfer, OC payment, or direct deposit. You can often find the correct routing number on your bank's official website, your checkbook, or by contacting customer service directly. Next, verify the account number along with the routing number. Sometimes errors happen because these two get mixed up. Enter both numbers carefully to avoid typos. If you're still getting errors after confirming these details, try to contact your bank's customer support team. They can verify whether the routing number on their end is active and valid or inform you of any recent changes. Banks occasionally update routing numbers due to mergers or system upgrades, so what once was valid might now be outdated. In some cases, your transaction platform or software might be storing cached routing numbers from previous sessions. Clearing your browser cache, updating the app, or restarting your transaction software can help resolve these glitches. If you are entering the numbers manually, consider copying and pasting to reduce errors, but always check that no extra spaces or characters come along. Once you have confirmed the right routing number and your account number, try submitting the transaction again. If it goes through, you're all set. If problems persist, ask your bank if there's an alternative routing number or a different transfer method you should use. Finally, keep a note of the updated routing number and consider storing it securely for future use to avoid repeating the issue. Being proactive about verifying bank data helps ensure smooth transactions every time. Don't let invalid routing number errors hold you back. Following these simple steps will help you fix the problem quickly so you can get back to managing your finances with confidence. Remember to stay patient and thorough during this process, since accuracy is key to resolving banking errors successfully.